These are my top 3 printers at $800 that I highly recommend. Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this video. Hey guys, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video, and today I wanted to talk to you about 3 specific printers that are priced at about $800. So if that is your budget, or if you were looking for printers that were $800 and up, this is the right video for you. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. All right, so getting right into the video, the very first printer that I recommend at $800 is the HP Color LaserJet Enterprise M55 4DN. This printer has super fast printing speeds at 35 pages per minute. It has an input paper capacity of 650 pages. It has 3 input trays, but it doesn't have a touch screen and it doesn't have an automatic document feeder or any scanning for that matter. No glass scanner or anything like that. Really, the highlight of this printer is the super fast printing speed. So I give this printer an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5. Now, if you currently own a printer and it's not printing a certain color, it's printing blank pages, or you have an overall and general print quality issue, you're going to want to consider the sponsored product of today's video, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. There's going to be a link in the description below for this product. If you feel that you or somebody you know may need it, go down, click the link, get one for yourself, and then come back and watch the rest of this video. Alright, so the next printer I have that is over $800 is the Brother MFC L8900 CDW. It has a printing speed of 33 pages per minute. It has a paper input capacity of 1,300 pages, so it can fit a ton of paper in its paper tray. It does have a touch screen and it does have an automatic document feeder and a glass scanner. It just has everything you could possibly want with a printer. This is a higher tech printer, is a higher capability, so I give this printer a rating of 4.5 out of 5. Alright, so the last printer on this list is the Epson EcoTank Pro 5850. This printer is priced right at $799, and the printing speed on this printer is 25 pages per minute. It's the slowest out of the 3, but it does shine when it comes to the size capability. So this printer is able to print a wider format. That means it can print up to 13 by 19 inches, which the previous 2 printers could not print that size. Of course, you have a touch screen on this printer. You have an input paper capacity of 500 pages. You have a glass scanner and an automatic document feeder, an ADF. So this printer, the Epson EcoTank 5850, gets an overall rating from me of 4.25 out of 5. In summary, we have the HP LaserJet printer we ended up talking about. It has a rating of 3.5 out of 5. The highlight on this printer is its fast printing speed. Next, we have the Brother MFC L8900 CDW. The highlight on this printer is the 1,300 page capacity. And then we have the Epson EcoTank 5850, and the highlight with this printer is its wider format. It's able to print up to 13 by 19 inches. I hope that this video ended up giving you a good overview of what these 3 different printers have to offer, why they're priced so high. And that's with one of them, it's very fast printing. The next one, it's high paper capacity and a lot of other features. And then with the Epson EcoTank, it is that wider format, and it has a lot of those other capabilities that we talked about with the Brother printer as well. So I hope that this video was easy to understand. If this video was helpful, again, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all that you have about these printers, or anything you'd like to add, or maybe you want to throw in a suggestion that you have, comment that down below. I want to know what you think about this topic. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now that's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.